Hello friends, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome to another exciting tutorial on creative coding with processing. Now, we are delving into the world of geometric elegance as we explore the versatile triangle function in this tutorial. Let me start by writing the setup function to set the canvas size. I'll write void setup. In this, I'll write the size to 400 with a semicolon. Now, I'll write the draw function. Void draw, and in this I'll set the background to white by writing background 255. This is to set the background color to white. Next, to draw a triangle and fill it with red color, I'll start with writing the fill and set it to 25500. And next, I'll draw a triangle of color red by writing triangle and parameters 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, and 100, ending with a semicolon. Let me explain these parameters. So, this parameter x1, it specifies the x coordinate of the first vertex of the triangle. This parameter y1 specifies the y coordinate of the first vertex of the triangle. This is the parameter x2. This parameter specifies the x coordinate of the second vertex of the triangle, and so on. Together, these parameters define the three vertices of the triangle, allowing you to position it anywhere on the canvas. The triangle will be drawn by connecting these three vertices in order. And let's hit the Run button from the toolbar. And there you have it, a mesmerizing triangle drawn with just a few lines of code. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more fascinating tutorials on creative coding and processing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Happy coding!